Hi. What's
Hey
up?
guys,
Hi.
what's up?
Dear Carl, came to.
Game show.
Yes.
So, the world's most regular podcast is back. Uh, ये भी बहुत बहुत फेल्ड अटेम्प्ट्स एट शेड्यूलिंग के बाद हुआ है, बट देन उसके बाद राहुल का जब से ये नया दाढ़ी का स्टाइल है, लाइक बिफोर दिस गोज अवे एक बार तो दिखाना है सबको,
Yes.
है ना?
Yeah.
Has to be.
So
Yeah.
All
At
of
this point of time, government promises and our promises are the same.
वेरी सिमिलर. सो हम ऑनेस्टली गवर्नमेंट के बारे में क्रिप भी नहीं कर सकते. तो यार ये सरकार ना प्रॉमिस करती कुछ करती नहीं. मतलब तुमने क्या, सॉरी,
This is the time I'll put that clip. क्या दिक्कत है इस भाई साहब
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
So my recommendation is a Netflix series called Spycraft. I don't know if either of you
I have
have
not
watched
watched it. I have not watched it.
It's a limited series, I think, with 8 or 9 episodes. I don't remember now, but it's available on Netflix, and it's about how tools and technologies help spies across the world, and it talks about espionage and technology going hand in hand, and the tools spies have used to kind of, I mean, across the board, not limited to a certain period of time or not limited to an organization as such, spy organization or a person as
Hmm.
such, but just across the board, how tools and technologies have helped them.
So मतलब it's like real world
Yeah,
examples
it's
कि
it's
यहाँ ऐसे use किया.
non-fiction. Yeah, it's a non-fiction
it's
series.
something like a documentary kind of thing.
Not exactly in that zone. It's in. I mean, it's not. When you say documentary, I immediately think of it as boring, right? But I don't want to use the term documentary, but it's a non-fiction limited series.
super.
और मुझे बस इतनी सी बात बता दे because I have मतलब someone like me, right? It would be like कि I would like to try this thing, try this
Yeah.
series, right? You
Yeah.
tell me one thing, is it way too technical? Because I don't want to know कि कौन सा nut bolt use हुआ है उसमें और ये कि or is it just
नहीं.
examples?
No. So first of all, they can't use exact names, etc. Right?
Okay.
Because
Hmm.
like they can't tell you the exact details. So it's not that specific also, and it's not that technical also. But it is technical in a way. Like
Okay.
for a layman, it's fine. Like I
Fine.
also
That's
I have no interest in technology. Like and no, I had no interest in spies either. I found that to be like I was curious, but I did not think that I wanted to watch a series on it. But when I watched it, I thought it was great. Like
awesome.
it is top notch work. So the
Nice.
only annoying part of the show is the narration is a bit weird. So if you can get past the fact that the narration is a bit weird, then you can just.
Weird as in what way, Priya?
He didn't capture my attention at
Okay,
times.
got it.
So that's the
Got it.
only thing that.
So if you have to give us one reason why you liked it and one reason you didn't like it,
I
so
gave you the reason I did not like it.
क्या
उसकी narrator की
narration
आवाज,
was
yeah,
narrator's
narration was
voice.
a bit off. And why people should watch it? Because I think not too many people know what's really
The
happening
world, yeah.
around the world, right?
Yeah.
You don't know how spies work or what are their methods, or are you getting spied on?
I think that's by design.
So moving on from Anupama Chopra to Rajiv Masand, Akash, what would you like to recommend?
That's a good comparison. Thank you so much, Gagan. My recommendation is this TV series called Into the Night.
Anyway,
It's about this. There are a couple of people in this one flight, right? And they're traveling from one place to another. And the whole, it's actually converted from a French TV series to an English. And now what they discover is that wherever there is the sun, right, the whole side of that earth is getting burnt. So people are dying.
My God.
So this flight is traveling from one place to another just to have all its passengers saved from this sunlight.
To avoid the sun.
To avoid the sun. So if you ask me what is that one thing which I don't like about this one TV series is that it's been a while and I'm super excited for its second season.
Hmm.
I've been
Oh.
waiting for it for a very long time, and it's not out yet. So that's one thing I'm really I'm looking forward to, but at the same time disappointed to a certain extent. And the thing that really I really love about this TV series is, of course, that you're really anticipated on what's going to happen next, especially towards the end of the TV series.
Does it have a cliffhanger ending?
Yeah, it kind of has a cliffhanger.
Oh
ending.
man,
That's
Tubby.
That's
hate
why I think
cliffhangers,
he's
man.
waiting for the.
Hate
I
cliffhangers.
wouldn't say like
मिर्जापुर
exactly
की
like a
गालियां दी थी ना
cliffhanger, but
मैंने
I wouldn't say a cliffhanger, but then you're like, oh man, I want the second season to be out. So my
Yeah.
sister recommended this. So she was the one who was like, you should watch it because it resonates, things what are happening around us, and
Yeah.
So when Akash started off with this, where he's like, yeah, there are people in a flight and they're going from place to place. मुझे लगा कोई travel and living type का show होगा. And then he's like, sun जला देता है सब कुछ. Like, whoa,
Bro,
okay.
by the
bro.
way, people travel in a flight
escalated
to go
quickly.
from one place to the other. Just saying.
हाँ,
People
but
travel
जान
in a
बचाने
flight
के
to
लिए
go
नहीं
from one
travel
place to
करते
the
ना
other.
भाई.
कोई ऐसे टाइम पास
भाई
के लिए फ्लाइट नहीं
मैं
करता.
तो जब बैंगलोर से गई थी मैं जान बचाने के लिए गई थी.
Yeah, I'll go. So let's move to Taran Adarsh. I am coming now. So I think this is one TV series you guys should definitely watch. And I don't know if you guys watched or not. This is called Your Honor. Your Honor, starring Jimmy Shergill.
Oh, I've seen it. Yes, I have. Sony Live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have
Sony
heard
Live.
about it, I think.
It's based on an Israeli TV series. If you see the plot is very simple. He is, because in the first 5 minutes, this is not a spoiler. In the first 5 minutes, first 5 or 10 minutes, you'll come to know there's a judge who's a district judge, very reputed in the city. His son hit someone on the bike. That biker is a gunda, is the son of like a very big what do you say, don of that area, right?
Powerful
And they-
family. Yeah.
very powerful family, and they have also tapped into that entire tussle which goes between in Punjab between bhaiyas and the Punjabis. So the interesting part from the first episode of the series is the fact that for the first episode you know who's the harami guy in this. So there is no suspense about okay acha ye to nahi hai, right? So episode by episode as you keep going, you will keep feeling that the main lead of the entire series is harami और ये कितना हरामी हो सकता है, right? But then when you reach like the last episode and everything, then you'll come to then the perception just changes, right? And also it is about, and Jimmy Shergill has just done a amazing job in this. I mean, this is I think one of his best work I have ever seen. The entire and the plot is very simple. A father trying to save his child from getting into jail because of an accident. One thing which I didn't like about the series is that it took me almost 2 episodes to get into the zone.
Okay.
It's my personal thing. मतलब शायद मैं पहला एपिसोड ऐसे it's not मिर्जापुर कि मैं चला दूं
Yeah.
and from the first episode you're like oh
Right,
fuck
from
अभी
the
तो मुझे
get-go
दूसरा
एकदम
देखना
से,
है.
yeah.
I think we can all agree. Maybe Rahul and Priya can agree because they've started seeing Sony Live a lot. Sony Live is
Yeah.
a good platform. You should
Yeah, yeah.
definitely sign up for that. It's a really good web series.
I think I have something in mind. Something which I'm sure none of you guys have heard none of you people have heard it. And I'm sure काफी लोगों ने भी नहीं सुना होगा इसके बारे में. This is something on YouTube. This is animated. Now hear me out. This show is called How It Should Have Ended.
How it should have ended. Yes.
Yeah.
Of course. राहुल,
No, I have
किसी
not
ने नहीं
seen
देखा होगा.
it.
किसी ने
सबने
नहीं
देखा है. सब
बिल्कुल.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
It's basically a parallel universe where Marvel and DC like, coexist with each other in harmony. They, like friends hang out at Central Park. Similarly, उनका एक cafe होता है called the Super Cafe. They chill there. They go to office. उनके लिए office is like beating bad guys. They come
Yeah.
after a heavy day of work, diss about the work. And it's very, very witty and humorous. You see, बाहर Spider-Man लटका रहता है, उसको अंदर घुसने नहीं देते. They bully him. Such things. Very, very humorous. And the endings, like how a movie ends and all, it's a completely different take. कि उसके बाद क्या होता है, what happens next, and it is super super hilarious. Like after a heavy day of work, if you are tired and all, if you watch this, you will actually feel really nice because it is that funny.
तो ये सीरियस
And
नहीं है ना, मतलब ये फन में
हाँ?
देख सकते हैं.
ये फन में देख सकते हैं, yes, and it should be watched. Only I'll start with the downside. I feel that each episode should be a bit longer. I just feel it should have got a bigger. I mean, it should have uh, become bigger. Like it should have come on other platforms also.
Okay, so I have to lay a bit of context for this. I have a single track mind, ठीक है. मैंने बोला ऐसी कोई चीज जो like said there were two criteria. Okay, something that somebody would enjoy watching, something that's nice, and which nobody else has watched. I latched on to nobody else has watched, और मैंने ऐसी वाहियात चीजें निकाली है ना. एक तो मैंने देखी है मूवी कॉल्ड लव गेम्स. किसी ने देखी है? भूल के भी मत देखना, गलती मत करना कभी भी, ठीक है. ऑलराइट, इट्स अ मूवी कॉल्ड लव गेम्स, एंड उसमें ऐसे डायलॉग्स हैं, मुझे जिंदगी में सिर्फ 3 चीजें पसंद है, विनिंग, ड्रग्स और लव गेम्स.
इसमें सनी लियोन है क्या?
नहीं यार, आई विश. वो भी नहीं है, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. इसमें सनी लियोन भी नहीं है. एंड this is not a legit recommendation. I'm just taking you through the process. ठीक है. उसके बाद सनी देओल की मूवी है called नक्शा, जिसमें वो इंडियाना जोन्स है.
आखिर मुझे मिल ही गया ये कवच का नक्शा.
What the fuck?
Yes, I've seen that movie.
Yeah.
But anyway,
I love this part. This is probably something that nobody has ever watched.
yeah.
We should do Rahul saying that and this.
Sorry Paji, if you're watching it, we loved you in Naksha.
Yes.
नक्शा क्या बढ़िया है.
Love.
Coming back to what I would recommend, there's one series which I watched that's called JL 58.
Oh,
Jail
I
50.
watched.
Oh,
It's an interesting one, and
I think
It's
Alan,
Jail
you're talking about
52.
Jail 50.
50,
Jail 50.
sorry, 50.
50.
My bad, number
52.
गलत है. Correction, JL 50. So the basic premise is there's a air crash. A plane crashes, and they realize that there is no plane which has gone missing. When they're trying to find out कौन सा plane है, there is no aircraft that's actually gone missing. And in the sky that day, there were no plane which this matches with. And then they realize that everything on the plane is from a plane, like is from 1980s at some point. And they realized that this actually is an aircraft which had gone missing about some 20-30 years back. And the whole premise of the show is basically it's sort of keeping you on the fine line between whether this is a case of time travel or whether this is an air crash which is being disguised to look like a plane crash from back then.
Yeah.
So I'll not get into the spoilers. I the things that I like about it, one thing is obviously this is a unconventional plot line, right? India
Yes,
में ऐसी
absolutely.
series कम बनती है. You don't find things that talk about shit like time travel and all of these things.
Yeah.
The thing that I did not quite like about it is, like, yes, Uska, the climax and everything comes out really well, but somehow I think they slightly drop the ball at the end.
Yeah.
In the
Yes.
end, like when they finish it, like it leaves a little bit, like a Dan Brown novel. Ki
Yeah.
Yeah.
leaves it doesn't leave you satisfied. Ki,
Yeah.
yes.
So just to conclude the conversation, so you loved it because of course the plot was very new,
the
right?
plot was also very well written. Like
Very well written.
For the first few episodes, at least you're like, oh shit, what's happening? What is it really?
Basically, like not like your Rakesh Roshan की film की ET आ गया and जादू वादू आ गया, वैसा नहीं है.
अब
It's like
Rakesh
legit
Roshan
with
fans
science
also.
fiction. Science fiction इंडिया में बहुत अच्छे से किया है इन्होंने.
Hi.
हाय
Sorry.
घरेलू झगड़े.
What is that? Hallmark, Rahul? Hallmark.
तो इसको कभी तो पोर किया है तेरे सामने.
Okay, fuck.
So my next recommendation is a show called When They See Us on Netflix. When They See Us was produced by Oprah Winfrey. So if you guys are fans, you can give it a watch. But both of these like show/movie deals with racial discrimination and how the justice system in the US, it actually gives you a food for thought, and then you draw comparisons as to has this ever happened in India? And then you realize it has. And then it also gets you to think like, what can you do in life to
Hmm.
prevent this from happening? And it just gets you thinking. When they see us as a 4 episode long series, it's I think 1.5 hours each, but it is actually about 5 children, right?
Okay.
Who just went on a stroll to a park with a bunch, and there were a bunch of black guys who did. And these 5 get charged with rape and murder of a jogger in the same park. So it just deals with how these 5 children, and out of the 5, 4 are sent to juvenile home, and 1 is sent to an adult prison because he was 16 at the time on his ID, right, by a few months or something like that,
Mhm.
and he gets sent to the adult prison. And it follows their stories individually, and it breaks your heart because it's a very tough
Mhm.
conversation.
Yep.
And they're repeatedly telling people that they've not done it, but nobody believes them. And then at the end, what I really like about the show is at the end they show real people,
Or
like the
actual
people, the
right,
actual
right.
people who
They put a face to
Wow.
yeah,
Mhm.
and they literally, and that's when you lose it, and when you see these are real people who've gone
Right,
through
right.
this.
Yeah, this is crazy. But yeah, I think it's time we wrap up.
Yeah, yeah.
गगन को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी अभी.
Yeah, and
Yep.
The bonus
the
recommendation भी देने वाली थी.
bonus recommendation, guys, all the Formula Ones, Drive to Survive is out.
नहीं, I'll tell you one bonus
Bonus
recommendation. Watch
recommendations,
all the
Pan Ki
episodes
Dukaan.
of Pan Ki Dukaan.
Pan Ki
Correct.
Dukaan.
Yes.
Gagan.
Gagan करे.
Gagan,
Binge watch.
where are your
Binge
royalties?
watch.
Leave recommendations for everybody in the comment
Yeah.
Yes, for
Yeah.
us also.
And
To
the
comment on
best
our
recommendation would get a Pan Ki Dukaan t-shirt from us. So
Yes.
Oh, are we doing that?
The best
That's
recommendation.
surprise.
Let's do that.
Does that competition involve us?
I don't know.